Birds across the globe rely on an unseen magnetic map that helps them navigate vast oceans and continents with astonishing precision. Researchers have observed species shifting routes seasonally, aligning to magnetic cues even when landmarks are scarce. In controlled experiments, birds altered their perceived magnetic field and surprisingly changed their flight direction, as if following a GPS. This magnetic sense works alongside stars and the sun, creating a multi-layered heirloom of navigation that spans generations. The tale reveals nature scripts its own unsung navigation system, guiding feathery travelers homeward.